could slow down our recovery.
They're telling us to slow down.
Or in some cases, completely stop the effort to get rid of unnecessary property. So red tape, financial barriers.
Slow down our growth, might tip us into recession, and ironically, would probably increase our deficit. The choice of who will lead Kenya is up to the Kenyan people. The United States does not endorse any candidate for office, but we do support an election that is peaceful and reflects the deep, indiscriminate cuts to things like education and training, energy, and national security will cost us jobs, and it will slow down our recovery. And let me just point out that the overall impact to the economy will be to slow down the recovery.
So you've got healthcare costs starting to slow down, deficits plummeting, jobs up, exports up, energy production up.
I wish you all would just slow down.
Some states are already starting to slow down work because they're worried Congress won't untangle the gridlock on time.
But this tells me how many volts I'm running, how many amps, and I communicate that to my electrical chief, and he tells me how fast to go to slow down.
It tells you that you have to move forward.
Okay, you got to slow down because I'm an old man.
We can't slow down businesses or put our economy at risk with government shutdowns or fiscal showdowns. We can't slow down businesses or put our economy at risk with government shutdowns or fiscal showdowns. And we are so grateful to Stevie for the incredible work that they've done together to build a ministry where the fastest drivers can slow down a little bit and spend some time in prayer and reflection and thanks. And, at 80 years young, Robert Redford has no plans to slow down.